How to track in-game performance in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, from the main screen or game lobby, look for your profile icon or the menu where you can find your player information. Tap on your profile to see important performance indicators like your current level, coins, medals earned, VIP status, and more. These stats reflect your progress and achievements in the game, showing how far you have advanced and the rewards you have collected. Keeping an eye on your level, coins, medals, and VIP rank helps you track your overall game performance. Regularly checking these stats can motivate you to play better and unlock more rewards. Now you know how to track your in-game performance in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.